Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the System and Updates. Once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here scroll down and find the option called Reset. And once you find it, tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process, and then wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.